Hey everybody, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take you on a tour of one of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverados equipped with a Rocky Ridge XP package. This particular truck has the diesel engine and is finished off in North Sky Blue Metallic. This is a beautiful truck. If we take a look at the front now, we have a body colored grille portion right in the center here, as well as a body colored bow tie. You can see some nice aggressive mesh within the front end and the LED headlights with a really cool carbon fiber look design in the housings. We also have some satin black in the lower portion of the bumper with your steel tow hooks. And then moving to the side, you can see some nice cutouts in the side portion of the front bumper to give it a nice design. We have the nice contours in the hood with the Duramax and Silverado logo. And then if we move to the side profile, this truck is sitting on Rocky Ridge's 6-inch suspension lift kit. It has a really nice stance overall. We have a set of Rocky Ridge wheels finished off in satin black and they're 20-inch diameter. We have a set of 35-inch tires as well with a nice aggressive off-road tread. And then you can see all these suspension components down below. If we take a look at the side profile now, we have a really large truck. As you can see, we have the Rocky Ridge logo up front with XP and a set of running boards to make it a little bit easier to enter and exit the truck. Moving our way down, you can see, of course, the same wheel and tire combination in the back, and we get Rocky Ridge suspension in back as well. And then taking a look at the side now, we have a Gibson exhaust with a black exhaust tip, your side step to make it a little bit easier to enter the bed. Then we have a body color rear bumper with a Rocky Ridge logo on the right side. Chevrolet is stamped into the tailgate, and then by just pressing this button once, you can automatically open up the tailgate. It soft opens, and we have a spray and bed liner to make this extremely durable for use. And the tailgate practically weighs nothing with one hand. We can close it up. Now inside this Rocky Ridge Silverado, this has a really nice interior all around. You can see the black leather seats. We have smooth leather with contrast stitching as well as perforated leather in the center. And we even get Rocky Ridge logo embroidered up into the headrest. Has a really nice design to it. You can see the leather on the armrest as well. And this particular spec has the jump seat. So you can flip this up and you have a 3-row bench seat up front. And then you can also lift up the center armrest to have a little bit of storage space. The truck does have some nice amenities like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Then we have 2 glove boxes over on the right side. And then more nice leather around the dashboard and on the steering wheel. We also have all your power controls for the driver's seat right on this left side. And then being a crew cab, we have a massive door here. It opens nicely for the rear passengers. You have a lot of space in the back of a Silverado. You have the same leather on these seats as well. And I love how you can easily lift them up and lock them into place. And you have a ton of storage space in the back if you would like. There's also some good amenities like air vents, USB ports, and a 12-volt, and you even get some storage behind the front seats. All right, setting off now in the Duramax. That diesel engine, of course, is a legendary motor with a lot of power, getting us right up to speed with no issues. The Silverado is a really nice truck to drive, especially with a Duramax. So with this Rocky Ridge package, one of the things you're gonna notice is the fact that this still drives like a factory truck. As we take some turns around 50 miles an hour, it still feels nice and composed, and it feels like a stock truck is going to be. I really like the aspect with the Rocky Ridge, the fact that it still feels like a normal truck, even though it's highly modified with oversized tires and the massive lift kit. I also like how it's still backed by a 3-year warranty from Rocky Ridge, and of course Chevrolet is still backing this truck. So you can own this worry-free and not have to worry about anything like that. We also have the speedometer that's already been recalibrated, so you don't even have to worry about your speed being off with these bigger tires or anything like that. And then now that we're getting back up to speed, getting comfortable again in this truck, like I said, it still feels like a normal Silverado, which I really like that aspect. Really comfortable in here. The armrests are great. These seats, they look amazing, and I love the added touch with the headrest. It's tracking nice and smooth down the road, and then of course you're going to notice how much taller this is. Every vehicle you pass is just a little vehicle compared to this monster truck, so you're really sitting nice and high, and I love that aspect with a lifted truck. So I think if you're looking for a highly modified truck, you know, big lift, wheels, tires, and some extra accessories for the interior and exterior, the Rocky Ridge is a great way to go because you get the warranty, all the other features we've gone over, and you can still own this like a normal stock truck, and yet it looks so much cooler than all the other vehicles on the road. And then even finishing it up on some sharper turns, I love how solid it is. Rocky Ridge only uses the best materials, and everything is put together really nice. And when you drive this truck, you're gonna really notice how put together the truck is with no loose ends. So there's a good look at one of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverados equipped with a Rocky Ridge XP package. This is a really sweet truck all around, especially in the blue with all the black accents. If you have any questions on this truck or would like to schedule a test drive and take it out on the road for yourself, check out all of our contact information in the description below.